already add a fresh 8 to 10 spoons. Habibis, this is a whole baby goat leg. This is almost 15 pounds of baby goat leg. We are making this goat mandi. Yes, leg mandi right here. This is a whole baby goat leg. This is 15 pounds. I made a first cut right here. So here it is. I'm making first cut at my baby goat leg, deep cut. I'm making a second deep. If you guys see, this is all the meat. I have to go as deep as possible, and I'm gonna make, two more cut. Yes sir, this is what we need. All the way in. $65 for this baby goat leg. This is not the front leg, this is the leg. We made 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts. Arabic recipe. This is a mandi recipe. We are focusing so perfectly fine on this recipe, I can tell you that. The back side of the leg, if you guys see, if you want to make a cut, okay, let me do it for you guys. So if you want to make a cut, make one deeper cut at the back. We have 2 cuts here, and we have on the opposite side, we are making one deep cut here. So this is all gonna help us to achieve the seasoning to get in there. It doesn't even fit on my chopping board. Let's marinate this. Okay, my Arabic attire. Get a whole big foil, big piece of foil, just like this. This is where all the marination, all the seasoning will happen. Habibi, you need to make good recipes. We'll grab the whole leg, right, and put it like a little bit vertically. Dry ingredient blender, it blends the whole dry ingredient. 2 sticks of cloves, 2 spoons of cumin, 1 spoon of cloves, whole cloves. This is our dried red chili. I'll add at least, if you have a bigger one, at least add 2 of them. If you have a smaller one, at least add 6 of them. We will blend these dry ingredients for now. This is all the blended spices. Just sprinkle everything on top of it. Blend it all the way in. 2 whole spoons of meat tenderizer. This is allspice. So we'll add the whole mixture, at least 2 spoons. Let's work on our fresh ingredient. 8 spoons of olive oil, or whatever you prefer. I would say use vegetable oil. It's all okay. 20 whole cloves of fresh garlic. 150 grams of fresh ginger. Definitely do that. Let's blend this with our oil, at least 8 to 10 spoons. The garlic, the ginger, and the oil has been blended. We have to make sure everything gets on there. OMG, it looks so good. After adding the garlic, ginger, and the oil, add some powdered black pepper, at least 1 tablespoon of it. We don't need to increase it because allspice has already the black pepper in it. This is our salt. Okay, I'm adding at least 1.5 or 2 tablespoons. If you like more salt in your meat, add 2 spoons. I'm just adding 1.5. Minced onion. What we will do, we will add at least 2 tablespoons of minced onion on top of our baby goat leg recipe. The secret ingredient for this recipe, we'll take our the dry spice blender. You guys see, these are sun-dried lemons, the tiny ones. These are not limes. I'm just adding it right here, and now we will just blend this. You open this, we have crushed it like really good. Just right now it's the time to sprinkle this. This is all of it. All goes on top of it. These are the main ingredients for this recipe. Use your hands and just massage this, especially onto deep cuts. This is a seasoned goat mandi. This is not something you are lacking the flavors at anytime, any way possible. Ingredients, I'm putting it right into the meat. It has the chilies, it has all the ingredients you can think about it. This mandi with flavors. This is not mandi, you just put salt. The time for this recipe, let's talk about that. The time for this recipe will be a little bit more than usual just because it's a mandi. You know, mandi cooks on a slow heat. So right now we are just covering our goat leg, the baby goat leg. All the seasoning is like covering all our meat. And just making sure it's packing, it's covering all of it. This is what you guys have to do as well. All of the ingredients on top of our baby goat lamb. We'll grab another big piece of the foot, right, and put this on the top. Make sure it covers everything. So right now just wrap the whole baby goat leg. Just make sure it's wrapped up like really good. And just try to get this whole big piece of our baby goat and just wrap it up. See, I have covered even here. This is our baking tray. It's actually bigger than our baking tray, I can tell you that. So this is our baking tray, normal size. This is a whole baby goat leg. Let me do the initial count of the meat temperature. So I'm going to just poke this right here. Let's see what it gives us. It's giving us 60 degrees almost. Okay, so let's bake this for 3 hours at 400 degrees. And I'll see you after 3 hours and I'll show you what's going on and what we're gonna do next. We're gonna cook some rice with it and it's gonna be bomb recipe. Well guys, it's been 3 hours. I went to bed, actually my sleepy face. So let's take a look. OMG. Let me show you with the thermometer. Let me just stuck in the meat and I hope it gives 145. So it's giving more than 145. 145 is the maximum temperature for this whole goat leg recipe. On top of it, oh wow, this is the look. This is deliciously roasted, guys. Oh wow. Oh wow. I can tell you, it's all done. I'm 100% sure just by looking at it. This is the mandi. Take a look on the meat. If you touch it harshly, bro, I mean, and let's get our rice and let me show you what we have done for this 3 hours of roasting. These are our mandi rice, the Arabic style. It has onions, it has cloves, it has dry fruits. So this is the sun-dried lemons right here. All the recipe you can make at home by yourself. It is actually breaking apart. Okay, let's put this right here, right on top. Let's put this right now, right here. So this is a whole goat leg. Right here, guys. This is an Arabic dish. This is wonderful. Let me do one more thing. I have some fried onion. I'll share a recipe how to make this mandi rice. For now, I'll just put this just like this. Raw dry fruit. I have almonds, cashew nut, some walnut. Yes, sir. It's all done. So grab a couple of lime. This is a whole goat leg, and we have mandi rice. We have everything. We have flavored it so well. Just take a look. What beautiful work we have done. Right here. Guys, it's time for iftar. We have a mandi rice at the bottom. So which part should I try? So this is actually a bigger side of the meat. You guys see? Oh, I'm good. I need some rice. Just like goat leg piece. Just a bite. There you go. I'll put all the ingredients in the description box so you can make this whole recipe in 3 hours or 3.5 hours. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. This is my feast for the day, and this is for you as well. You can make this, you can enjoy this. It's all cooked just by the touch. It's done. We have a crusty part right here. You see? It's just breaking apart itself. Wow, wonderful, delicious. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share this video with your friends and family so they can make the same recipe at home by themselves. I'll see you on the next one. We still have some juices right here. If you are lacking a juice of the meat, you can still grab some. Then take care of yourself. Bye bye for now, and enjoy this recipe.